Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Arab horror games on Roblox. First, launch the Roblox application on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the search bar, usually found at the top of the screen. Type in keywords like Arab horror or Arabic horror game to find relevant titles. Look for games with good ratings and positive reviews to ensure a quality experience. Once you've found a promising game, click on it to proceed. Next, familiarize yourself with the game's controls. Most Roblox games use WASD keys for movement on PC or a virtual joystick on mobile. Interaction with objects, like opening doors or picking up items, often involves pressing the E key or tapping an on-screen button. Check the game's description or in-game tutorial for specific keybinds. You might also want to adjust your camera sensitivity in the settings for better navigation and a more immersive experience. To survive in these horror games, always pay close attention to your surroundings. Environmental clues and subtle audio cues are crucial for understanding the narrative and avoiding dangers. Resource management is key. Conserve items like flashlight batteries or health packs, as they are often limited. When encountering enemies, your best strategy is usually to hide or escape rather than engage in direct combat. Stealth and awareness will significantly increase your chances of survival. Finally, to fully enjoy the experience, consider playing with headphones. This enhances the atmospheric sounds and jump scares, making the game much more immersive. Adjust your graphics settings to balance performance and visual quality, ensuring a smooth gameplay experience. If you prefer, invite friends to join you. Playing with others can add another layer of fun and shared fright to your Roblox Arab horror adventure. Have fun and try not to get too scared.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.